Look at Makai, y'all. How old is it? 3 months?
He'll be 4 months on Friday. Well,
Next week, he'll be 4 months old. Look at how big he's gotten.
in 5 days.
Okay. Okay. You can take his snowsuit off. Look at that cute snowsuit. Look at that. His big self. Look at the cheeks. Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Y'all know I'm getting ready to air fry some, you know what, chicken wings. So I took one of my honey's suggestions. You know how I always sop up water in the bottom of the bowl. She said, why don't you put it in a strainer? And that's what I did, y'all. Put my chicken in a strainer after I washed it, rinsed it, and it makes it much easier. So now I'm going to dump these wings in this bowl. So let me re-angle this camera. Bring this over here so y'all can see exactly what I'm doing. Here's the bowl right here. In the meanwhile, I'm going to be preheating this Ninja Foodie Extra Large Grill. I already plugged it in. Turn it on, put it on air crisp 400 and start. So right now it's preheating. So I'm gonna dump these wings. Big help. Okay, that's a big help. Why didn't I think of that? It hadn't crossed my mind to use the strainer. Pretty dry. Okay, I'm going to use some regular yellow mustard. That's how I season my wings. Regular hot dog mustard, y'all. Nice swig, nothing too crazy. And it's almost empty. And I'm going to season with some Old Bay. You can use anything. I like the meat to be seasoned, even though the breading is seasoned. And I'm going to show you what I'm going to use. I'll be using some Just Us breading. I'm going to mix the spicy with the regular chicken breading. It's called Just Us Seasonings. You can find it at www.justusseasonings.com. I'll be using my breader shaker bowl. You can find this on Amazon.com. You'll always ask. So I'm going to mix this up now. Open this. This is the spicy I never use it all because I don't want to have any left over. Trying to open this. This is the regular. Dumping it all together. Let me step out of my way. Of course, you can always use a Ziploc bag or a brown paper sack to mix your breading in. Shake your chicken in. I'm going to smush this mustard and the seasonings on this chicken. How it looks. And the Ninja Foodie grill is through preheating, so it's already beeped for me to add the food. And these wings have been sitting at room temperature for maybe 30 minutes. They've been washed and they've drained. I towel dried them, and what else? That's it. I'm not going to overcrowd this bread or shaker bowl because I want each piece coated evenly. These are big wings, y'all. Jumbo wings. I like the smaller wings because I be thinking these have radiation. That's why they're so big. And shake them good. Nicely coated. I'm going to spray this. Look. Put them up. Shaking off the excess. That's all I'm putting in here for now. Spray. You have to spray your breaded wings. You don't have to spray naked wings. Oh, I'm using grapeseed oil today. Okay. Got it set for 20 minutes. Make it 22 minutes. Okay. Okay, y'all. It's been cooking for almost 22 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. It's done now. So I'm going to put it on this pretty, I like pretty platters and things. So we're going to put another batch of chicken in here. It's done. And you have to test it. And I'm not gonna, I didn't flip it. She's brown on both sides. I didn't put that many drumettes in here. These are large wings. I'm sticking with the other batch in. Okay, this is what this batch looks. put this second batch in here. Okay. I'm going to spray these wings with some grapeseed oil. So they don't look powdery. You have to spray them if they're breaded. I'm going to set this for 22. It's already hot, so it doesn't have to preheat. Okay. I'll be back, y'all. Okay, I got a hungry house guest up in here, so I'm about to give her plate now. So I got Brussels sprouts, chicken, and macaroni and cheese. Okay, the chicken just got done. The second batch. See, it gets brown on both sides. I didn't flip it. Eating her food. It's about to start snowing again. She may have to leave. That's right. Last time I fixed, I air fried some fish, I didn't do a taste test for y'all. I wasn't feeling all that hot, and I want to just go sit down and eat. So I'll take this thumbnail, even though some of the pieces are missing. I'll lay this down and take the thumbnail. This is my air fried chicken wings, y'all. Breaded with Just Us breading. And I mixed the spicy and the regular breading together. So that's how my chicken looked, and I didn't flip it. So I'm going to do a taste test. I didn't flip it at all. Cooked it for 22 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I sprayed it with some grapeseed oil because it has a higher smoke point. You can use olive oil or canola oil or other kind of oil. So I'm going to taste it. This is one of the pieces I cooked in the first batch. It was cool. Crispy. Really good, y'all. It's good. Nice golden brown. Well seasoned, air fried chicken wings. So, I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me a nice comment and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay. Bon appetit. Bye. Okay. Man. Okay, and Amber and Mesquite. And Mesquite was just rudely awakened by Walter opening up some tea. Hi, Amber.
Hi, Hans.
Did you enjoy your meal?
Yeah, it was good.
It was good. Oh my gosh. I mean, it wasn't that good.
It was good.
Okay, I know it was good. Okay. Thank you.
He wants you to get him on camera.
You want to be on? You want to be on? You on?
No, I ain't say I wanted to. No,
Can I show your plate?
you show my plate.
See Walter's plate. He got some air fried chicken. He got some mac and cheese. He got some Brussels sprouts, bacon. What's that? Potatoes and potato chips. Man, and all that seasoning. Oh, but I'm about to sneeze from the pepper. Whew. Okay, you gonna speak to my honeys?
Hello, everybody out there in YouTube. Hope you all doing well on this Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day to you, by the way. And hope you're staying warm. Here we are in this super cold freezer of a vortex, in polar vortex. It's crazy. I'll be glad when the snow stops falling, because I'm tired of shoveling and cleaning off that little car out there. I know you all probably feel the same. But anyway, stay safe and try to stay warm. Take care. Bye now.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm telling you, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, y'all, I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I changed this picture on this calendar, my photo shoot calendar. Okay. Okay, bye y'all. Stay blessed.